All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put you on probation for 24 months. It's a non-reporting probation. You stay out of trouble, that's obvious. Stick with your treatment plan. So whatever the plan is with your doc, you stick with that plan. And
Chris talking to his client.
counsel, your appearance on Brooks.
Good morning, staff. Neighbors Defendant Service, Carrie Martin, P 84592. I represent Mr. Jason Brooks, staying to my right.
All right, so we're gonna do okay. We're gonna do a no contest to the misdemeanor MDOP.
Judge, Mr.
Right.
Captain ordered up as a no contest. I think my client is prepared to enter it as a.
Okay. All right, he's made a comment here about restitution, but they don't have the number yet.
Yes, not. Maybe we should bring him in here.
Hey, Joe. That's all right. Ask Kaplan to stick his head in here. All right, Mr. Brooks, you've discussed your rights and options. You understand those rights and the options they give you. All right. And do you understand the possible penalty for the added misdemeanor charge? And understanding all of these things, are you pleading guilty to the misdemeanor? Doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, May 21, 2026, were you in Van Buren Township? All right, why don't you establish what happened?
Mr. Brooks, on that day, May 26th, at about 1 a.m, did you visit a hotel, the Red Roof Inn? Yes. That was in Van Buren Township? Yes. Did you destroy some property that was in the lobby, like a coffee maker? And you did that intentionally? No one gave you permission to do that? Judge, I'm satisfied.
I'm satisfied as well. I'll dismiss the felony.
Stipulated that the amount of destruction is more than $200.
Okay, thank you. So tell me what's going on with Mr. Brooks.
Judge, so he is, full disclosure, on probation to you, right?
What's that for?
That was for resisting, obstructing, and domestic violence. So that was my case as well. So I think this is an early bump in the road on probation, but he's doing really.
Was he on probation at the time of the incident?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
He's doing otherwise really well.
You working? Where at?
Working at Amazon, trying to really trying to switch over feds.
He's been doing the work program. He was there yesterday. He's doing more work program tomorrow.
Okay.
He's got a probation review hearing set in July.
What 27?
July 27th.
About this charge?
I think so.
Okay.
So, Judge, we're just asking that you would accept the plea, place him on another term probation, and give him the chance, at least, between now and that probation review on July 27th, to keep, checking items off his list.
It's with Judge Patton, just so you guys are aware.
With Judge Patton.
Okay, so he's on probation with Patton?
He's on probation with Patton.
Okay. Okay. When did she put you on probation, roughly?
I think it was the 12th.
May as well.
May 12th?
So this was very early on in his probation. And there's, Judge.
There's something going on.
Here's
Yeah.
mental health.
Okay.
He's had to go, he just received a prescription for an antipsychotic.
Okay.
And he's gonna follow up with this doctor really soon.
Okay. Okay.
Mom.
All right. Mom's on Wexford? Okay. Okay. I'd like to sentence today if I can get something on restitution.
Me too. Figure, Mr. Chapman, step in here soon.
There's a James Humphreys on it.
He's an attorney, he would answer, and I chatted him and said, I think he's the wrong one, so he could say that.
So do you have a treatment plan? Yeah. Are you doing any kind of counseling, any kind of therapy, anything like that?
Trying to get into the therapist, but they like out, so they were trying to look for someone.
All right. Who are you working with on that? Your doctor? Your doctor's trying to find some place to get you in? Okay.
Or
Yeah. How often you see your doctor? So on a monthly basis?
3.
Every 2 or 3 months? Okay. Do you have any restitution information from Red Roof Inn?
Yes, sir, $2,900.
$2,900?
Yes.
Thank you. I hate to order restitution when the guy doesn't have the ability to pay for it.
Yes, sir, what at 2 years, actually.
All right, Mr. Martin, anything else?
Just what I said before, Judge, that Mr. Brooks, he's been in touch with me throughout all of this. I represented him in the last case, he's got family support. And I'm glad to hear, he's got follow when he gets with his doctor. I think once he, nips into the mental health issues, then I think everything will be on track for him. He's expressing a lot of sincerity about, staying on his medications.
Yep.
Life is better, he's on medications. So I believe this young man has a chance to succeed on probation.
All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put you on probation for 24 months. It's a non-reporting probation. You stay out of trouble, that's obvious. Stick with your treatment plan. So whatever the plan is with your doc, you stick with that plan, and pay your restitution. So work out some kind of payment plan with us. Do your best on that and stay out of trouble. And there won't be any additional penalty. If you end up with new charges while you're on probation with me, then I may very well sentence you for violating probation. You understand that? All right, listen to me. You're a local guy. I mean, you're just an Ipsy. If your treatment plan is not doing what you need, come back and see us and see if we've got any resources we can help you with. All right? Because I don't want to punish you on this case. But if you just go out there and start doing stuff the wrong way and you don't come ask for help, then you kind of tie in my hands. Understood? All right. Anything else?
Nothing. Thank you very much.
All right. Good luck, Mr. Brooks.
Thank you.
Oh, hold on a minute. Oh, you already owe us all kinds of money. Is that what your doing work program is to pay off this money?
I think that's just a condition of probation.
Okay, so he's already into us for $2,300 on other files. So we've got options where he can do some work days to knock that down. He can do some charity work to knock that down. So explore those options, get this stuff taken care of. All right. So listen to me. If somewhere in the future, you and I are having another conversation on the file I just put you on probation on because you're not doing everything exactly right, but I can see that you've really been trying to take care of your business, then I can give you a little grace. But if you just ignore everything you owe the court and you're having problems, you hear me? All right. So it doesn't have to be money to take care of your files. Restitution's got to be cash. All right. Good luck.
Thank you, guys.
You're gonna give a notice to him on the,
I have to send everything through on DOC.
okay. You know what's fun? Seems like June is taking forever to get through. I've never felt that way before. I don't know if it's June, it just seems like, it's just like lingering.
But that's okay, we don't mind.
I know, and it's like, I don't know if it's because I was gone for a whole week or something. Because you would think that would make it move faster.
Well, at least you're enjoying it.
Hmm?
At least you're enjoying, yeah.
Appearances on the People versus Turner, please.
Robert Stevens, yeah, on behalf of the people. Hey, good morning, Honor David Cripps, P 34972, appearing on behalf of Julius Tremaine Turner, Elder Commissioner.
Julius Tremaine Turner.
Thank you. All right, I understand we got a waiver.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Cited for the record, we filled out a form for your honor.
I'll put it in the file.
Thank you, Your Honor. Judge, we have a witness random counts 4 and 9, Your Honor, as well as an ad count 13. Judge, ad count 13 would be possession of cocaine less than 25 grams. Your Honor, the other counts would be dismissed, other than 4, 9, and.
And go back to, there's an ad account. So we're gonna waive on 4 and 9, 1 through 3 and 5 through 8 are dismissed, correct?
Yes.
And we're adding another count. So there's a count 10.
County ad count 13, Your Honor.
And what is that?
Possession of cocaine less than 25 grams.
Got it, Heather?
Yes, I do.
Do you like her?
Okay. Agreed?
We agree, Your Honor.
All right. Sir, do you understand your rights and options after discussing same with Mr. Krebs? No, that's all right. You understand your rights and options?
Yes, sir.
You understand the purpose for an exam? And you understand by waiving the exam, we're sending the file downtown to the circuit court level, not at the district court level where we're at today. And are you waiving freely and voluntarily? All right, gentlemen, you satisfied with the waiver?
Sorry, Your Honor. I am, Your Honor, and we reserve all rights to raise a 180-day rule if I can perfect it at the circuit court level.
Understood. All right, so I think I've got all.
Your Honor, may I trust the court on the tangential issue?
Sure.
It's another case. It's being handled in the Lake County court system through 36 districts. There are numerous charges, Judge. It's really duplicative as to what.
Mhm.
Therefore, I'm not going to proceed on that case, Judge. It was dismissed yesterday in child support without prejudice.
All right,
Thank you.
and that's got nothing to do with this file, you just want it on the record.
Yes, yeah.
Understood. All right, so I'm binding over, AOI date will be next Tuesday at 9 AM. I need signatures for you two. And then I'm done with this file. Mr. Attorney, you've also got a misdemeanor file in our court, a domestic violence charge. We're just going to adjourn that out to July 7th at 10 AM.
What is no complaining is on that?
I can tell you what I got in the file. According to my complaint in the file, sir, it's Alicia Joy Williams. And the date would be October 5, 2024. You're on a personal bond on that file. We'll continue bonds on both files.
Your Honor, wish for me to try to settle it, please?
So we're doing
Yeah.
a fine pre-trial.
Yeah, we're doing a final pretrial, see if the victim shows up. That might make it go away.
Mr. Gavin, who she gets allocated, you always let. My pleasure.
He's a pro. Thank you, gentlemen. Good luck downtown, Mr. Turner.
You stuff. You can see through the.
Good morning, Miss Manarino.
So it's.
Wonderful. Who's that on? You as well, Mr. Krebs. Thank you, gentlemen.
Right?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Good morning, counsel. What do you got?